In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to connect your custom domain to your Podia website. So first, make sure you are logged in to your Podia account. Then from the dashboard, navigate to the settings. On the upper right corner, click this profile of yours and then click this settings. And after that, navigate the domain, click on this. And then as you can see in here, we have a Podia subdomain and a custom domain. Now, to add a domain of yours, you can just simply click on this and then write your own domain. So in this case, I'm going to input my domain name in here. www.com. And after that, just simply click the Save Changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up your custom domain in Podia. Now, once verified, you can visit your domain using this domain or whatever domain that you put in here. And then after that, for a smooth setup, DNS propagation might take up to 48 hours, so be patient if changes don't appear immediately. And then make sure your SSL certificate is enabled for a secure connection because Podia usually manages this for you automatically. Now, you can onto your domain, whatever domain you are using, to point your domain to Podia, you'll need to update the following DNS in there. So assumingly we have like you can use GoDaddy or any domain that you can buy. So assumingly we have access to that. Assumingly we are using GoDaddy. So in CNAME record, you consider the host name and the value target and then DTTL. So for the host name, just leave it with the www. And then for the value target, you can custom it like custom.podia.com. And then for the TTL, leave it as default. It should be a 3,600 seconds or automatic. And then for the record, it's optional if you're using a root domain like yourdomain.com or onto the host name, you can use @ for the value target. Podia's IP address, check Podia's support for the most up-to-date IP, and then after that, save the changes in your DNS settings. And then go back to Podia and click the verify domain. Then Podia will check the DNS settings. This process may take a few minutes to a few hours to propagate. And that's it. That's how to connect your domain to your Podia website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.